Hello friends, today going to install an mirror type reverse camera kit on this rav4, I guess it's 2009. So you have just this LCD in here. So I already have run the rav4 camera and it's pretty easy. First you have to start with removing this back panel here. Start from top, take first one, this one out, then side ones, and then you can pry this out. So first second side ones, and then you remove this panel. Once you remove this panel, you have to take this number plate light off. Just press this inside and you can remove it. Then you pass this wire at this side, it's gonna hang in outside here, and from there you probably can see that hole there which is going towards the other side. So just pass through that hole there. So once we have our wire at this hole and we got here this connector. So guys, you always wonder, and of course so many us, what's this red wire for? This red wire actually I have already connected with the red wire of camera supply. See, with this connector here. So this red here is connected to this red, and then I'm just running this red wire all the way through this grommet up to this light here. So this is the connector for this light. You have to take this panel a little bit off from its place, get access to this connector, take it out, and this red wire on this connector here, which is first one here, is the reverse light wire. So I connected this red wire to this red wire here. So now what it will do, when you will go in reverse here, it will also provide 12 volt on this red wire. If you are going to install with the head unit, all these head units, they need a reverse trigger. So you can connect to this trigger here from the head unit. But in our case, we are going to install this mirror here. So this same red wire actually going to provide 12 volt to this mirror as well. So now it will be from here really easy. We'll just run along this wire through here all the way till that mirror. So I'll show you once we'll finish installation at them. Another thing guys, when you are going to put back this panel, so sometimes these snaps doesn't come off. So use a tool like this to take them out and put them back in their place like this, and then put it back. Same, we left couple of here at this store as well. See, this side here and one is there. So yeah, remove them first, put them back on the plastic panel, and then you can put it back. So from here you don't have to remove this panel, just run this wire along this rubber here using this pry tool, hide it under, same through here, go under along. Just make sure this wire doesn't get pressed or pinched against this plastic panel here. And the black wire, which is ground, I connected here. So this will complete the circuit for camera. And now we have to make connections at front. So these LCD comes with this, most of the time just 2 connectors or 3 connectors, so can take 2 cameras or sometimes only 1 camera. And this is the male connector for power. So this power connector also have a 2 wires. One is negative black one, which is black, and the red one is positive. So here we'll connect this connector, which is coming from back side, and there's some male side of connector will go to yellow, and this red wire will connect to the red wire of this power wire of the mirror. And we have to still connect this ground as well, or negative wire to ground of this car. So I'll show you in a while where we can connect this negative wire. So first put this LCD screen on your mirror. So we already made our connections here, and it's actually working straight away. Even we still haven't connected this ground here, but the camera is still working. Sorry about the reflection, but yeah, that's how they're supposed to be working. Okay, well, yeah. So in many cases, in many LCDs, you don't have to connect this ground because it's getting this negative actually through this connector here now. But if sometime it does plays up, if you see flickering lines or something like that, then you must have to connect this negative wire. So you can run it along this panel here and bring it down under that panel there and can connect it somewhere there. So at this stage, I'm not going to connect this negative wire for this because it's working fine even when our car is started. Yeah, perfect. So you can see, because we still have to put our camera on there. So in rav4, yeah, I have to figure out like where we can get approximate our center, because camera actually itself is not in center. Secure this cable, which can fit in this length here using electric tape, and then just use a pry tool like that, little bit, push it a little bit down, and you can slide all this wire along in this edge there.